Good day. Today's video is going to be working with command prompt. So the first thing we want to do is go to your desktop, do new folder, and name it bat files. I already have one, so I don't need that. So mine's here. So if I open it up, I want to download from Brightspace these text files. So once you copy them, what we need to do now is go to command prompt. And it defaults right to, for me, C:users because I'm on the domain and admin. So your prompt may be slightly different. Let's do dir for directory. You can see that I have all these folders, desktop, documents, downloads, pictures, VMs. Let's go to desktop. So I'm going to clear first. Then we're going to do CD. I'm going to type DES, and I press tab and it autofills. Then dir, so I can see what folders I have, and I want to go to bat files. So CD, BAT, and I press tab, it autofills, and then once again, dir. All right, so let's open up these one at a time. So if you just type in IP config underscore alt text, it opens up in Notepad. So we're going to do echo on, so it's going to actually show you what it's doing. Pause it, type a message hello, echo message. Once again, echo, that's going to put it to the screen, pause, set A to 5, set B to 10. C is A plus B. Echo will print to the screen and pause it again. So let's open up, open browser. So this says echo off, so it won't show anything on the screen, and it's going to start Chrome. So if we open up, oh, and it will navigate to this particular website. So you can change that if you want. Let's open Notepad. Echo on, start Notepad. So set this to off, and we can play with that once we do the batch files. And then the last one we're going to open is one I downloaded from the internet. Ooh, I deleted it. Oh, no, it's when bat files. So when, this is really complicated. So this is echo off, so it's not going to show this. Then it's going to start this process here. Echo, echo, and then the system info, find string, C:/OS name, system find string. So if you read through this, you should be able to kind of maybe understand a little bit of what's going on. So this is very complicated. Okay. So back to my notes. All right, so let's rename them. So we'll do rename IP config text to make it a BAT, which makes it a batch file, which would execute the scripts that we're writing. All right, so I press enter. So let's verify we have a batch file. All right, there it is. So rename, open browser text to BAT, dir, two bat files. And then rename Open Notepad. Spell rename right. dir. I'm just verifying that they're actually creating the files. So 1, 2, 3 files. And then the last one, rename WinBat BAT. Okay, so dir. So we've eliminated the notepads, except the one, that's our notes. So let's run ipconfig all. So there's the pause that we saw. And there's my ipconfig. So echo on is on. So there's the hello message, pause. It's showing you everything that's doing. All right, so that's a pretty easy one. Let's do the open notepad. So pretty simple. And echo is off because we don't see anything on the screen. And then let's open web browser. Once again, defaults to a web browser, which is pretty cool. And then we will open when sorry, just type the file name. So then it's doing all this stuff on its own. Windows info. Remember that system info or system string? So this is a pretty complicated one, but it was pretty cool. So I thought that was pretty neat. And then press any continue and done. So that's one you could do with batch files, very simple ones to more complex ones. Hope this helps.